To enable Rocket Money subscription management, start by downloading and installing the Rocket Money app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you do not already have one. Rocket Money is a personal finance management tool that helps you track and manage your subscriptions, bills, and other recurring payments. Enabling subscription management allows you to link your bank accounts and credit cards and view all your subscriptions in one place. To link your accounts, tap on the Add Account button and select the type of account you want to link, such as a bank account or credit card. You will then be prompted to enter your account credentials and authorize Rocket Money to access your account information. Once your accounts are linked, Rocket Money will begin to track your subscriptions and display them in the app. You can view a list of all your active subscriptions, including the subscription name, billing date, and amount. You can also filter your subscriptions by category, such as music, video, or software. To manage a specific subscription, tap on the subscription name and select the Manage button. From here, you can update your subscription details, cancel your subscription, or contact the subscription provider. Rocket Money also provides alerts and notifications when a subscription is due for renewal, helping you stay on top of your expenses. Best practices for using Rocket Money subscription management include regularly reviewing your subscriptions to ensure you are not being charged for services you no longer use. You should also keep your account information up to date to ensure accurate tracking and monitoring of your subscriptions. By following these steps and using Rocket Money subscription management, you can take control of your recurring payments and make informed decisions about your financial resources. Rocket Money provides a secure and easy-to-use platform for managing your subscriptions, and is a valuable tool for anyone looking to simplify their personal finances.